Have you ever looked for a smarter way to manage document templates and create documents for your application? Basically, to create customer documents, you need to merge business data with document templates. Implementing this with current technologies requires a lot of tedious programming work and a lot of time-consuming communication between developers and content experts. ADocs is the new smart solution for document production. It's designed from bottom up as a simple-to-use web service. It makes document creation easy for programmers. Content experts edit and publish templates by themselves. The service approach clarifies system architecture and enables template updates without need for software deployments. With ADocs, you can move easily to modern web service technology. Simplify your system architecture. Save a lot of programmers' time. Scroll down and read more about the smart documentation production solution for your organization.